Hello viewers, welcome to today's tutorial on the evolution of computer, that is the history of computer. We decided to present it pictorially so that our followers will have a glimpse on the previous computing device. The first device in the history of computer is abacus. It is strongly believed that this device is the first calculating device in the history of mathematics, and it marks the starting point of computer history. It is a rectangular wooden frame with counting object in it. It is being used by Chinese as far back as 3,000 years before Christ to carry out local calculation. Then followed by Napier bones, invented in Scotland in 1600 AD by a Scottish mathematician, John Napier. It is a device that can perform only addition operation. If there is need for multiplication, it can be done by continuous addition. Then Stebrocorner, invented in Germany in 1690 AD by a German scientist, Mr. Gottfried von Leibniz. It has capability of performing 4 basic mathematical operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It has gears and fluid drums having temples arranged around their circumferences. Then punch card, invented in France in 1800 AD by a French mathematician, Mr. Joseph Marie Jacquard. The American Department of Census used punch card in 1801 in compiling census figures, which lasted for only 2.5 years instead of the normal 7 years. Then different engine, invented in the United Kingdom in 1822 AD by an English mathematician, Mr. Charles Babbage. It is a steam-driven calculating machine that is almost of a room size. It has capability of performing basic mathematical operations. Then analytical engine, invented in United Kingdom in 1823 AD by the same Charles Babbage, a year after he invented different engine. It is programmable machine and it uses punch card for storage. It has 2 main parts, the store and the mills. The store is for storage while the mills is for processing, as it is the common terms used in textile industry, which is then the most popular industry in the world. As our modern computer today is divided into 2 main parts, that is the memory unit and the processing unit. Then the next device is Holler's desk, invented in USA in 1826 AD by an American statistician, Dr. Herman Hollerith. It also uses punch card for storage. Hollerith went further and built the first computing company in the world, called Tableting Machine Company TMC, which later merges with other computing company and form up the International Business Machine, a leading and early manufacturer of computer. From 1900 AD to 1940 AD are called 4 decades of calculating and tabulating in the history of computer, as great improvement is being made in the development of previous devices with ability to interpret both numerical and alphabetical data. Then followed by Mark I, invented in USA in 1944 by Professor Howard Aiken in collaboration with Harvard University, IBM, and United States War Department. Then ENIAC, which is a short form for Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator, invented in USA in 1946 by Professor Presper J. Eckert and Professor John W. Mockley at the University of Pennsylvania. It has capability of carrying out 1 mathematical operation in 1,000 seconds, and it is powered by 18,000 vacuum tubes. Then followed by EDIVAC, which is a short form for Electronic District Variables Automatic Computer, invented in 1946 by Dr. John von Neumann. Then followed by EDSAC, Electronic Delay Storage Automatic Computer. This type of computers, they are called the first generations of computer. then followed by the second generations of computer that came into existence from 1959 to 1964. Then followed by third generations of computer that came into existence between 1965 to 1970. These third generations of computers, they are smaller in size and can easily be moved from one place to another. Both second and third generations of computer, they uses transistor as they uses transistor, while the fourth generations of computer that came in the early 1970s, they have a convenient size, they have modular design, it has enhanced and convenient storage capacity, they have large scale integrated circuit instead of the transistor. Instead of the transistor, they uses high level language such as COBOL, common business oriented language, Fortran, formula translator, Visual Basic, Visual Fox Pro. They support network system, they are disk oriented system, they come in different size and shapes. Then the fifth generations of computer they are also in the existence, and they use large scale integrated circuits that help it in carrying out logical decisions and proper electronic configurations and carrying sequence of operations, and they are window based, as they use window based operating system. They also have mobile devices such as laptop, tablets, and other computing devices. They also use sophisticated peripheral devices such as scanner and computer and printer, camera, etc. Thank you very much for being with us. This is the end of this tutorial. Hope you enjoy it. Subscribe to Mohammed Computer Class for more update on this trend.